What a luxurious tropical setting to find yourself in. Just seconds to the sand, it's an easy stroll on the flat, and this is a home that is going to be your perfect beach house.
We're at 21 Beltana Street, Blacksmiths. We can't wait to show you through.
A little bit older now, showing out, never going out of style. Someday we'll turn great, yeah, everything's changing. For now, let's just be here. The two of us, collecting dust. Yeah, that's enough. As long as it's you, we'll be just fine. We age like wine, such a beautiful life.
Polished concrete floors and a wow factor kitchen are just the beginning in this beautifully appointed home.
It's the living here that you're going to love, with so many options for the whole family, whether it's the outdoors or the downstairs space and more living upstairs. I'm Ben Casey.
And I'm Shanti Page. Come and be sold.
Someday